Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today I want to do a real quick video showing how to switch the grinder on your angle grinder. So this is here a DeWALT DCG413, but this should probably work for any type of grinder that has a similar design. So the first thing you're going to want to do is I always like to throw on safety glasses whenever I'm working with anything power tools. So I'm going to put those on, and then let's obviously go ahead and make sure we remove the battery. That's probably the next safety thing. I'm going to go ahead and double check, test. Yep, no power, so we should be good to go. Now, it's actually pretty simple to remove this. So typically, the angle grinder is free to spin like such. So what you're going to want to do is on the back, there's a spindle lock button right here that you're going to want to depress. So you might have to wiggle the wheel a little bit and depress at the same time. There it goes, click. You see how that now moves in? Now, this is locked, and the spindle won't move. So now, sometimes you'll be able to twist this off by hand, but if this thing is really on tight, you can go ahead and grab your, this Allen key is, it was actually supplied with the grinder. This is just a 6mm Allen key, so if you want, just go ahead and put it in. There's two connections right here, so there's two places you can put it in. Either one will work, so just hold the spindle lock down on the back with one hand, and then twist counterclockwise with the other hand, and this nut should come out at this point. Okay, so just take this off all the way, pull them off. This thing, you'll see this actually has a little bit of a spring mechanism to it, but this is all one piece. It should just come off. So place that off to the side, and then it should just be as easy as lifting this. So this is a hubless grind disc, so it just pulls on and off. It's not threaded on. So just go ahead and pull this off, grab your new wheel, place this on, should fit nicely. There we are, okay? Then go and get your nut again. This is really simple. It's even marked nicely. It says this side out, so go ahead and make sure that that is facing out. And then notice that the shaft actually has notches on either side, and this nut also has notches. So again, it's really simple. Just line up those notches with the cutouts on the shaft, and then while holding the spindle lock down on the back, just go ahead and turn clockwise. And hopefully that should go on. Yep, and then again, keep your spindle lock on. Just go ahead and get your Allen key, tighten, release the Allen key. Now the spindle should be free to rotate. Now let's just go ahead and just double check. So now, throw your battery back on, give it a whirl. There we go, and we're back in business. So quick video on just how to change the grinder on your angle grinder. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.